Hello everyone! Today, let us make this bear headband of these materials. First, sketch the shape of a bear's head with a flat chin on brown A4 size paper. Then, cut it out. Make sure the head looks symmetrical. Next, using the bear's ear as a guide, cut out 2 semicircles approximately smaller than the bear's ear from pink paper. Make sure to match and cut them to the same size. Cut out a small oval from it as well. Do the same from white paper, but cut out a larger oval. Now glue all of them together. First the white oval, then in the middle of it the pink oval, and within the 2 ears there's 2 semicircles. Then draw 2 eyes above the white semicircle. Next, cut out 2 long strips of equal width from the longer side of the leftover brown A4 sized paper. Staple the strips together on both ends to form a circular headband that fits your head. Lastly, glue on the bear head done earlier to the headband. Woohoo! You're done! Thank you for watching Color Our World with Art. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.